What's going on, guys? So I'm working on the Acura Vigor still, and here's a couple of issues with it. So when I drive the car, I was hearing these noises, which sounded like it had a exhaust leak, and so oops, let me turn the lights back on. Alright, and I was hearing it towards the middle of the car, and so what I did was I took it to a muffler shop to go and have it checked, and so they verified that there are some holes along the pipe and the resonator. Now they were asking me like $311 to fix it, and I was like, nah, I can't do that. So I just paid them for the inspection, which was $60, and it was down the street, so I figured it was all right. And so I got home, took this whole S pipe right here, took it off, and right now what I'm seeing is this big ass hole right here, and then two smaller ones. This one looked like it's about to give out pretty soon too, so I'm probably just gonna cover the whole thing. And then really that's about it. On the resonator, I don't see any other holes in the pipe. So yeah, basically they were trying to charge me $311 for this. So I decided I'm gonna do it myself and just do some patchwork. And so I just got back from AutoZone, and I picked this up, which is a muffler patch, and I figured if it works for a muffler, it should work for the resonator. This was $8 at AutoZone, and I'm hoping it works. It says it cures with the heat in 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, sand it down. I'll probably spray some brake cleaner to kind of get the dust off and make sure there's no oil residues on there. And then yeah, I'm gonna put the tape on. Alright, guys. Alright, so I went ahead and sanded the surrounding areas of the holes, and the muffler patch, it comes with this foil tape, and this is the actual wrap that goes over it. So I guess what you're supposed to do is put the foil on, patch up the hole with it, and then use the black tape to go over it. That's how they had it on the instruction. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright, guys. Alright, so I just got it taped up nice and snug. This one too. Now I'm gonna put on the black tape. Alright guys, so I have the black tape on, and now what I'm gonna do is, because it says it cures in about 20 minutes on heat, and I'm not gonna be putting this back on tonight, so I'm gonna try to cure it by using a heat gun. right here, and then hopefully it cures it, and then I'll just put it back on tomorrow morning. Alright, so let me put this on high heat. And I'm just going to do one side at a time. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but when I apply the heat on here on this tape, it first melts off the resin that's on the tape, that's embedded on the tape, and then after it melts off, then the added heat dries it up, and so I think that's what's causing the cure. It's the heat. It's just drying up that resin.